she got the Arabian music. Okay, baby. Cute on purpose. Mwah. Hey guys, it's me. This hair, it ain't it. Period. So we gonna take that out, you know, scratch his scalp, all that. Just gonna part it down the middle. Nothing too serious, you know. Make sure it's straight too, cause that's not gonna be cute. Just gonna put this section to the side while you part where you're gonna braid the other side. I don't know if this makes sense. You won't see it. I'm gonna do 2 cornrows on either side. So you just make a diagonal part that's parallel to the one. Alright, bruh. I sound like a geometry teacher. But you make a diagonal part that's parallel to the middle part. Me, like, my hair be... Sis be wanting to fight me, like, she always be where she don't need to be. So I be having to, like, lock it down, you know? Like, I'm gonna put the comb on one side, make sure no flyaways get into the braid, cause you just spent all this time parting. Like, you don't want to mess it up now. You at the finish line. You feel me? Boom, just like that. Yeah, do a little wiggle. Move like a snake. I'm getting tired, so see, I told you my hair we want to fight, so we had to crump it out, crump it out, crump it out. Alright, so basically I just slicked my hair up into a ponytail. I combed it out first to make sure that when you braid it, it gets as flat as possible. You see, I be trying to tell you, my hair be trying to fight me. Look, stuck. Oh, where you going? This is what happens when you're too lazy to go grab your spray bottle. You just grab your handy dandy water. Okay, because Aquafina gonna do it. Baby gonna do it. Do y'all see the arm muscles that are being flexed in this video right now? Like, y'all cannot tell me I don't work out. 24-hour fitness where? But look at my triceps and biceps, bruh. I got lines in my arms. Do you got lines in your arms? Okay. Cause baby girl cut. At the end of the braid, you're not going to pull it all the way through. You're gonna kind of loop your hair like that because you're gonna clamp the clip in onto that part later. That was post edges. Now this is after I laid the edges. These are the extensions that I'll be using. You're gonna clamp the clip in onto the loop and then wrap it around the braid and so basically, picture a spiral staircase. That's how you about to wrap these tracks around this braid right now, okay? Making a staircase. If y'all want me to record this makeup look, let me know because I'm just now realizing how bomb I was looking. Hey, not to toot my own horn, but beep, bitch, beep. Coming through. Do you see my highlight? Becca had me. Becca, baby girl, I love her. Alright, when you get to the top of the braid and you and put in as much hair as you can, you're gonna take a piece, you're gonna wrap it around, and then after that you're gonna bobby pin it. You take the piece, you're going to spread out the hair so that you can cover as much track as possible. You're gonna wrap the braid around it and bobby pin that. You know, after all that whipping and things, weave a little tangled, baby a little, you know, stunned. Woo! Edges was cooked to perfection, okay? That's why you just gotta leave it there. You just gotta, and it's there. So yeah, you gotta comb out the hair because we don't need no knots. You know, you finna be flowing, glowing and flowing. Period. Now, if you wanna leave them straight, you done. Like this cute, you know, some slight. But I'm extra, so I wanted to curl my hair. This is me waiting for the curl to, you know, cool out. Can't never be still. After I curled it, I sprayed some hairspray and scrunched it into the hair before I separated it. Ooh, she cute. Okay. And this is when I started to feel myself. Alright, so now, because I want some gold or whatever, we gonna take some gold thread and we gonna put it through a bobby pin. Because we not putting no hair needles in there. It's not that deep. Just get a little bobby pin. You feel me? Boom. Just like that. Then you take the butt of the bobby pin and you stick it under the cornrow and you just lace it like it's a shoe. Real simple. Then when you get to wherever you want to stop, just wrap the rest of that around the ponytail and tuck it in or bobby pin it, whichever one stays. That is pretty much it. Like, that's really it, guys. Look at that. 1 to 10 in, what was that, 13 minutes? Boop. Yes, sir. Whip it real good. Win, friend, win. Oh, what? I know y'all read my lips. Thursday. Love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a little comment or whatever. I like the feedback. Alright, bye.